Is it the right time to buy or sell the VOO ETF? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into the VOO ETF. We previously published an initial report on our website on Tuesday, December 12, 2023, and now we're back with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. It's essential to stay updated on any significant updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from November 3, 2023, our system has identified VOO as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 3.96. Now, let's analyze how the stock has performed during this period. We've observed a gain of 6.77% in the stock's value. In other words, on average, it has delivered a 0.25% return per day since being recommended as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently positioned within a wide and weak rising trend in the short term, indicating a potential further increase within this trend. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected 6.07% change over the next 3 months. The possible return during this period ranges from -3.08% to 9.09%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a 15.43% change over the next year. The potential return within this timeframe ranges from 4.12% to 19.89%. This translates to a price range of $444.03 to $511.29 after a year. Our latest update for VOO brings exciting news: Green Day on Tuesday for VOO. The VOO ETF price showed a gain of 0.450% on the last trading day, Tuesday, December 12, 2023. It went up from $424.56 to $426.47, marking its 4th consecutive day of gains. We're eager to see if it can continue this positive trend or take a small break in the coming days. On the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated between a day low of $423.27 and a day high of $426.67, experiencing a 0.8% range. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by 2.03%, with 6 out of the last 10 days showing an upward movement. The total volume also increased along with the price on the last day, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 2 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, resulting in a total of 6 million shares bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $2.54 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price the ETF reached was $426.67, while the lowest price was $344.34. Currently, the price is 0.05% or $0.200 below the 52-week high, and 3.35% or $14.79 below the all-time high on January 4, 2022, when it reached $441.26. Let's talk about the signals for VOO, the ETF. The VOO ETF has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, the relationship between these two signals shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average being above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, there is support from the lines at $421.73 and $407.44. However, a breakdown below these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, October 27, 2023. Since then, the stock has risen by 13.02%. This suggests a further rise until a new top pivot is found. The volume is also increasing along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, there have been some negative signals as well, which could impact the short-term development of the stock. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently indicating a sell signal. In the long-term chart, the ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, January 9, 2023. This rare combination occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line meet, often leading to significant and sustained gains for the ETF. Today, I want to share with you some interesting signals to keep an eye on in the stock market. The moving average convergence-divergence is currently showing a sell signal. Pivots indicated a buy signal 32 days ago. Bollinger Bands gave a buy signal just 1 day ago. The short-term moving average signaled a sell 6 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average indicated a buy 29 days ago. When we analyze the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we find a buy signal 25 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short-term moving average gave a buy signal 29 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average showed a buy signal 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages resulted in a buy signal 12 days ago. If you're interested in discovering more signals, make sure to visit our website at StockInvest.us. Today, let's dive into potential day trading levels for VOO. When it comes to accumulated volume, there's no significant resistance above for VOO. This means that if the right conditions align, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. In such a scenario, it could be wise to enter a position and keep an eye on volume indicators to determine the ideal exit point. On the flip side, VOO faces its first support level at $412.23. If this support level holds, it might present a promising entry point, with a potential rebound in sight. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $411.54, which represents a decrease of 3.5%. This ETF exhibits low daily movements, resulting in low risk. Moreover, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 31 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? After careful analysis, we have identified several positive short-term signals and a general good trend for VOO ETF. This suggests that there may be a buying opportunity at the current level. However, it is important to note that our systems indicate the current price is overvalued based on volatility and recent movements in the market. Looking ahead to Wednesday, December 13th, we anticipate that VOO will open with a decrease of $1, starting trading at $425.47. Before we continue, it's essential to understand that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. To make informed decisions, we strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Remember, StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments below. We're also interested to know your target for the ETF. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Our goal is to help you succeed in your trading journey. Have a fantastic day from all of us here at Stock Invest.